Welcome back, Detective. Today's challenge features 10 impossible mysteries puzzles, and only the sharpest eyes will solve them all. Keep track of your score, and don't forget to comment it at the end. Ready? Let's begin. Well, who stole the diamond necklace? A priceless diamond necklace has disappeared from the jewelry store. Only one of these four customers is the thief. Before I reveal the answer, comment A, B, C, or D. The answer is person B. Person B secretly slipped the diamond necklace into a paper shopping bag. The top of the necklace is sticking out just enough to be seen. The other three customers are only carrying normal shopping items. If you got it right, give yourself 1 point. Get ready! The next mystery is even harder. Who is the real firefighter? Three people say they're firefighters, but only one is telling the truth. Can you find the real firefighter before time runs out? Look closely at their uniforms, boots, and equipment. Comment before the answer reveal. The answer is person D. Person D is wearing real fire-resistant boots with soot marks and carrying certified firefighter gloves clipped to the belt. The other uniforms are clean costumes without proper protective equipment. Another point if you got it right. Who cheated on the test? Today's math test is over. But one student secretly cheated. Can you figure out who it was? Look closely at every desk, every pocket, and every little detail. Lock in your guess. Type A, B, C, or D below. The answer is person C. Person C has a tiny folded cheat sheet sticking out of their shirt pocket. The other students only have normal school supplies. Add 1 point if you solved it. Only true detectives notice that clue. The next mystery is even trickier. Who owns the lost puppy? A lost puppy wandered into the park. 4 people say it belongs to them, but only one is telling the truth. Look carefully at the puppy and each person's belongings. Don't change your mind. Comment A, B, C, or D now. The answer is person A. Person A has a dog leash with a matching blue paw print pattern, and the puppy is wearing the exact same blue paw print collar. The patterns match perfectly. If you got it right, score another point. Amazing work, Detective. How many points do you have so far? Comment your score below. Don't leave yet. You're halfway there, Detective. The next mysteries are even more challenging. Who is the fake pilot? 4 people claim they're airline pilots, but one of them is pretending. Can you find the fake pilot? Look closely at their uniforms, luggage, and small details. Which one do you choose? A, B, C, or D? The answer is person B. Person B is the fake pilot because the suitcase has a flight school student luggage tag attached to it. The other pilots have airline crew bags and employee ID badges. If you found the clue, give yourself 1 point. How many points do you have now? Get ready. The next mystery is even trickier. Which toolbox belongs to the real electrician? 3 people say they're electricians, but only one toolbox belongs to a real professional. Can you find the correct one? Look carefully at every tool. What's your final answer? A, B, C, or D? The answer is person D. Person D's toolbox contains insulated electrical screwdrivers and insulated pliers, which electricians use for safety. The other toolboxes only have general tools like hammers and paintbrushes. Great job if you spotted the insulated tools. Add another point to your score. Who is the real beekeeper? One of these 4 people is a real beekeeper. The other 3 are pretending. Look carefully at their clothing, tools, and the bees. One tiny clue reveals the answer. Take your best shot. Comment A, B, C, or D. The answer is person C. Person C is the real beekeeper because a few honeybees are calmly landing on the protective beekeeper's suit and gloves. The other people don't have proper protective gear, and the bees are avoiding them. Found the clue? Give yourself 1 point. You're getting closer to becoming a master detective. Who stole the ancient golden mask? An ancient golden mask has just disappeared from the museum. Only one visitor is the thief. Look at everyone's bags, clothes, and hands. Can you spot the hidden clue before time runs out? Comment A, B, C, or D before the answer. The answer is Person A. Person A has a backpack that isn't fully closed. The top corner of the missing golden mask is barely sticking out, matching the empty display case nearby. Did you solve it? Add 1 point to your score. Only careful observers notice clues that small. Congratulations, detective. You've reached the final 2 mysteries. These are the hardest puzzles in today's challenge. Only the smartest detectives will get a perfect 10-10. Stay focused. Let's begin. Who is the real scientist? 4 people claim they're scientists, but only one actually works in this laboratory. Can you spot the real scientist? Look closely at their clothing, equipment, and even their hands. One tiny clue gives away the answer. Think you've cracked the case? Comment A, B, C, or D. The answer is Person B. Person B is the real scientist because their safety goggles have a few tiny water droplets from a recent experiment, and they're carrying a laboratory notebook filled with observation charts. The other 3 are only wearing lab coats without any real research equipment. If you got it right, add 1 point. Only careful observers notice the experiment clues. Which key opens the treasure chest? A treasure chest has finally been found, but only one of these 4 keys can open it. Can you find the correct key? Look carefully at every tiny detail. The answer is hidden in plain sight. Let's see who's right. Comment A, B, C, or D. The answer is key C. Key C has tiny scratches and fresh golden dust on its teeth that perfectly match the lock on the treasure chest. The other keys are clean and have different shapes that wouldn't fit. If you solved it, you earned your final point. Excellent detective work. Time to see how you did. If you get 3 correct, then you're a rookie detective. Keep practicing. You'll get sharper with every mystery. If you get 6 correct, then you're a junior detective. Great observation skills. If you get 9 correct, then you're an expert detective. Very few people make it this far. If you get 10 correct, then you're officially a master detective. Tell us your final score in the comments. Did you get 10-10 or did one mystery fool you? We read as many comments as we can, and your idea might inspire a future detective challenge. Before you go, if you enjoyed solving these mysteries, like this video, subscribe for brand new detective challenges every week. Share this video with a friend and see who has the sharper detective skills. Thanks for playing. We'll see you in the next mystery.